friends, welcome to my channel The Wheel of Dharma. So today we will try to learn about the world tree Yggdrasil of Norse mythology, and will also think about how the world tree Yggdrasil is related to our brain and neural system. Monad, the circle dot, from the Greek word monos or monas, from the word monos, which means one, single, unique, was a symbol referred by the Greek philosophers as the first, the seed, the essence, the builder and the foundation, although they also called it unity. This is an important phenomenon that seed is the basic foundation for growing tree, while the circle dot or zero dot is the symbol for seed which germinate to form small plant which then grows into great vast tree. So the world you are living in is just like a big tree. Everyone, everything is connected to that tree. In Norse mythology, our world depicted as a world tree Yggdrasil which holding the 9 Norse realms. You are aware now that our mind, Mendu, is expansion of Bindu, zero dot, although mind and neural system is just like world tree Yggdrasil which expand from hair of head to tip of toe. The given neuron diagram shows that our neural system is like vast expanded tree, although the dendrites of neurons look like expanded branches and axon terminals look like roots of tree, while the middle portion of neuron cell is like tree stem. In every neuron cell, the cell body, apex part, holding the nucleus which resembles similarities with the monad or the circle dot from which whole world arises. Nucleus of neuron cell is Bindu, zero dot, through which Mendu, mind, and whole neural system arises. Thus our nerve, neuron, cell becomes smallest form of world tree Yggdrasil. Mind is such type of organ which controls whole body, whole metabolic system, although my research suggests that our human consciousness lies between the two eyes where pineal gland situated. Also the yoga tradition and Hindu religion states that third eye chakra lies between the two eyes. I think mind is an organ where God resides because human consciousness is controlled by the higher consciousness which considered as a God. Like mind, God also controls whole things, hence, God and mind both known to me and to many researchers as a father. So universe as well as world tree Yggdrasil exists in everyone, in every living body. In short, you are universe in which millions of organisms living and millions of realities flourishing. You are living in dream world which constructed by mind, created by mind, so the whole world. All realities is a computer simulation, although mind is the computer which controlling whole reality. In simple language, nothing is real but your mind makes it real, although the mind tree Yggdrasil which contains omniverse generated by Allfather Odin who sits above world tree Yggdrasil, the mind, the omniverse. So Asgard, the abode of Odin, the Godin is outerverse. So it is very important that what is the deep relation between Odin's son Thor and the world tree Yggdrasil, because when Thor throws lightning in the sky, then the branches of the world tree are seen in the sky as a lightning. That is why Thor is the god of trees who created the world tree which represents the omniverse.